Hoki mai anō rā ngā taringa are, ki te nei wāhanga e kia nei ko Kiwaha, koutou e whakarongo mai, koutou e mātaki mai. Kia ora, e nā ko te Kiwaha i tēnei rango. I mua tonu e te Kiwaha, kei konea Maria.
Ai, kia ora.
Kia ora, kei te pēhea rā.
Kei te pai ahau. Yeah, you sound very reminiscent of Kingi when you do your mihi.
Kei te pai.
You do a very good
Ka hoki o ke tonu koe kia ia,
very good impersonation.
Speaking of,
Can you do one again, please? Honestly, this was just saying, I keep going back to it, because you do a really good Kingi biddle.
Maybe later on in the week, okay?
Okay,
I don't have my Kingi biddle at the moment.
Like him.
Well, I did not know that. But morena kia
ora.
Morena. Okay.
Well, actually, because I find her watching this,
yes.
it's a mihi o te pō.
Yeah, well, true that.
Anyway,
yes.
Of course it's pre-recorded, whānau.
Yeah, okay.
So whatever the mihi is appropriate for the time of day you're watching this.
If you're watching it in the
Kia
morning,
ora.
morena. If you're watching it at night, nā mihi o te pō. If you're watching it i te weheruatanga o te pō, tōna tikana, me moe koe. Hoi no, ki Kiwaha i noa nei, and the Kiwaha is ko wai ka hua ka tohu.
Oh, that's why you're humming the waiata.
Yeah, aye. So ko wai ka hua ka tohu.
Ko wai ka hua ka tohu. That's a beautiful one. And let's just talk about that song, because you started humming it. And I grew up listening to that song because I grew up in Te Mataua Maui, and Tony Huata is the kaiwaiata of that waiata, and she's from Kahungunu. So I have a bit of a special thing towards that waiata.
Oh, ne. Yeah.
But yeah, ko wai ka hua ka tohu.
Hua ka tohu. Tēnā, kia koe Maria. Hai wete ake. What do you think that Kiwaha means to you?
Who will know?
Pretty much.
Or is it what will be will be?
Yeah.
Who knows?
Yeah, who knows? Yep. Who knows?
It's yet to be seen?
Yes, yep.
Te rapa, have you got a tauira?
So let's say, just going to go Whitupōro.
Yeah.
Ka wini te kapa ōpango i tēnei kēmu a kia whiti. Oh, ko wai ka hua ka tohu. Who can say? Yeah, who can know?
Who can say?
Who can know?
Who can know?
Yeah. I mean, even though ka mōhio tonu ko te kapa ōpango ka pīti a nā tīma kato.
Okay.
Maybe. But yeah, koe atu te wairua o tērā. Yeah.
Let's just do a bit of a thing that's a bit out of the ordinary.
Yep.
Let's do a bit of a verse of ko wai ka hua ka tohu. Because you can sing. Ready?
Okay. You know, I only know that part.
We've never done this. I don't think we ever sang on the microphone, even though we have work in radio.
No, we haven't.
Anyway, this is a good segue into my new feature that you're going to be involved in. Anyway, maho e timata. Somebody grab a guitar. Here we go.
Okay, here we go. Ko wai ka hua ka tohu. Ding.
Aroha pu mau tonu. Aha kua. Oh, you started it too high.
Yeah, I know. I started it too high with my
start
low
again.
voice.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Sorry, guys. It was really fret.
Ko wai ka hua ka tohu.
Aroha mai, Tony. Here we go. I feel like I want to take the mic out, but I can't. Okay, so... give me that microphone. Let's just do that.
Okay, we're going to have a pause and then we're going to swap.
Why? We'll just leave it all.
Oh, well, teach you that, yeah.
Hold this, stand. Oh, here we go. Come on, whānau. This is the business. Are you ready?
Okay, what's your note?
Kaua e whakawhretia ia hau.
Oh, I'm already flat. I'm already flat enough as it is, so kei te pai.
All right, what's our note? Tētahi noiho. Go, give me a note.
Wai ka hua.
Here we go. You ready?
1, 3, 2.
I'll start.
Okay. Oh, no, can I start? Because I need... Aroha mai anō Tony. Ko ra noi hona kupe mōhio a kahi. Even though I work in radio.
You just hum and I'll sing the words. Ready? Yep. I might stand up and get into it. Ready, go.
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, is that too? I lost it.
Kia kaha. Go slower. That's too high for me.
Is that too high for you?
Aye.
Wow. It's too low for me.
Okay, go. You do. I'll follow and I'll have to stand to get those high notes. Go. Ready?
Ko wai ka hua ka tohu.
Dun, 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 dun. Te aroha pu mau tonu. it's really early in the morning. Aha, kua te e tino. Go, come on. Piri kau mai anō, aroha tonu. Here we go. Tuhira hira mai. Just hum. Whakahiapo ahei anō. Hei tiro hanga. Hei ata whai. Oh my gosh.
My goodness.
Oh yeah.
No practice.
Kotore whererai ana te ngākai.
Oh my goodness.
Whānau, kia aroha kauana kia maua kokahi. I tarai maua, i tarai, i tarai.
Niki mineti kua wā mai wētahi. So we're looking for some...
kōrua. We need some new hosts for ho mai te paki. Ne? Anyway, kui ara ko te kiwaha e te whānau. Ko ai ka hua katohu. Hope you had a bit of a giggle. No judgments, because I'm coming for ya. No. Ko ai ka hua katohu. Ai.
E te iwi koe rata tātai kiwaha i tēnei rangi. Whakamahia.
He tauira, will kahi singing improve? Ko ai ka hua katohu.
Oh. Can I... We'll leave it at that.